Hi everyone! In this series, I'm going to show you how to quickly get started with making your own website. In this video, I'll show you how to build and customize your website pages by using page sections. So I've just signed up for a new website.com account, and I'm currently logged into the member zone. And let's click here to open the site builder. We'll click Access Website Builder, and this is the template that we've started with. Just a note, if you want to change the template before you start designing your website, you can explore the different templates by clicking Template Library on the left. Now you can preview the templates just by clicking on it. And you can use this drop-down to explore different categories. If you choose to change your template, it will reset the design and content changes that you've made to your website. So it's best to choose your template before you begin your design process. I'll start with this one and then choose Select this template. And now I'll confirm that my site design will be reset with this checkbox. And then click Reset my site to this template. Now let's start designing my website to customize it for my business. We'll start by clicking on Manage Pages. And you'll see that this template has one page only with the title Home, and the other menu items are links that go to different sections on the page. For example, I can just navigate to these sections by clicking on them on the left. And we're going to go ahead and add a brand new page by clicking Add New Page. And I'm going to add a blank page and call it FAQ. But you'll notice that you can also add different types of pages which already have pre-built sections on them to get you started. So I'll click blank, and then I'll click Add Page to Menu. Give that a title, and now that I'm on that page, we can click Add Section. On the left, you'll see that there's many different types of sections that you can add. They include different features and functions like team, testimonials, and you'll see that there are different layout designs for each type of section. You can also add more general sections like text. Because I'm building an FAQ page, the most obvious thing to do is add an FAQ section. So I'll click on that and then choose the style of the section that I like, and then click Add Section. Now that I've added this section, on the left, there are different customizations that are specific to each type of section. For example, I can change the section design. I can choose whether I want this section to have a title, and if I toggle it off, you won't be able to see that title anymore, but I'll keep that toggled on. And you can also change the title text just by clicking on it, and you can edit right on the site builder, or you can edit on that field on the left. You'll notice that you can also click right on the items within the sections to edit them. For example, I can add and edit the questions and answers just by clicking right on them. And then you can edit on the left, the question and answer. Or if we click outside of the question and we're back to the FAQ section in general, we can also edit each block by clicking on the left side panel right here. In general, when you click right on it, you can make quick changes, and on the left, you might notice that you have more control and styling options. So I'll quickly change the color of this section. So I'll click on this section, and I'll click Change Colors and Layout. We're going to choose from the site theme colors, and I'll quickly change that section color. If you want to add or delete any of these question blocks, we'll go back again. We can click Add Question right here. And if we want to delete any of the questions, again, we'll click on the overarching section. If we want to delete this question right here, just click on the pencil icon beside it and then click Delete. Now let's navigate to another page to explore more. So this time I'll show you that you can navigate to another page within your site builder using this drop down right here. And we'll click on the home page. I do want to point out the mini toolbar that you'll see when you click or hover on a section. For example, if I click right here, we can see these quick tools. You can upload and change the image. You can select from files. You can add alt text, or you can also link this image to something. And a general mini toolbar that you'll see on all of the sections is right here. So by clicking on tips, you'll see some quick links to tutorials. You can also quickly change the design and layout. You can move this section up or down using these arrows, like that. You can also be more precise about where you want to move this section to. You can clone this section, and if you do that, it'll add the copied section right below it. So for example, if you want to create another section and quickly make some edits to it to make it different from the cloned one. For example, you might want to quickly copy the layout from another section, so we've just cloned this one and you can make it different by editing the images and the text on it. You can also hide a section. So that means when you publish this website, if a section is hidden, no one will be able to see that. It's just for you to keep the edits that you have on it in case you want to go back to it. Or we'll unhide that. If you want to delete that section altogether, just click on this delete section button. Now, a quick way to make a dramatic change to your website is to change the images on the design, so I'll quickly demonstrate that. So for example, on this hero image, if we want to change that, on the left you can find the corresponding field. We'll click select from files. And now you can choose from a file that you've uploaded, or you can upload a file from your computer or from your mobile device by clicking upload file. Or you can choose one of the free stock images that comes with your site builder plan. We'll click on stock images. You can filter the different image categories using this drop down here. And you'll see just by changing that image, my homepage already looks dramatically different. In the next video, I'll go over the different page sections and how to publish your website to make it go live. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.